Finding it difficult to fall asleep, waking up early and can't sleep again? Well, here are my top tips to get a better night's sleep without the use of medication. Did you hear that, Anne? Without the use of medication.
I did.
So the majority of causes of insomnia are due to life events rather than physical illness, like stress, anxiety, smoking and drinking too much, watching TV and playing on our phones before we go to bed. And these are all the kinds of things that can trick our bodies into wanting to stay active rather than going to sleep. I see so many patients with insomnia, and most of them want these. Sleeping tablets. Well, actually, most pharmacists, GPs and nurse practitioners tend not to recommend these, and here's why. Firstly, they can be addictive. Secondly, they don't promote restful sleep. And thirdly, they're not fixing the root of the problem. So here are my top tips. Let's begin with daytime habits. First, set a specific time to wake up and go to sleep every day. I wake up at 6 AM every day. And I mean, I don't really like it and I feel tired when I wake up, but because of this, when it's nighttime, I fall asleep almost straight away. And it's because your body, it loves a cycle. Exercise in the day so you're tired before you go to bed. And I was planning on filming this whilst I was jogging, but it's really rainy outside. Don't work in your bedroom, so keep it just for sleeping and don't take naps throughout the day. Now let's move on to bedtime habits. Try not to watch TV or play on your phones whilst in bed or before going to bed, because what it does is it reduces the melatonin we produce, which is the hormone which makes us feel more sleepy. Avoid big meals before going to bed. Avoid alcohol, caffeinated drinks and smoking, especially in the evening, as these are going to stimulate you so you won't fall asleep. It's also worth mentioning that some prescribed medicines can also interfere with your sleep. So if these symptoms have suddenly come about and you've been prescribed something new, then speak to your pharmacist and they can check this for you. And if you have a lot going on in your life, which a lot of people do, then try these calming techniques, which I've left a link in the description below. I think they're really useful and they should help you sleep better. And lastly, let's move on to bedroom environment, which I find is often overlooked. Have your bedroom at the right temperature, and the best temperature has been found to be between 15.5 degrees to 20 degrees. Use thick curtains to block out any morning sun or any light coming from street lights. And this is the bit where I need some curtains to draw, but we don't have any here. And lastly, use the right bedding for the time of the year. If you're still having trouble sleeping after using all these tips, then have a word with your GP, pharmacist or nurse practitioner. And that's it for this week's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information useful, and as always, please help spread the word. Like, share and tag friends who'll find this information useful. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Here's some bloopers from this week's video. Make sure to hit that like, follow or subscribe button now to stay up to date with new weekly videos. So the majority of causes of insomnia. It's insomnia. Insomnia is a difficult word to say. It's in restful sleep. And thirdly,
What's your dress?
I can't remember what thirdly was. Well, it's a shame that this doesn't work.